You have to have it all figured out before you share Jesus. That's what a close friend of mine said to me years ago. He wasn't sharing his faith because he didn't feel worthy enough to talk about Jesus. I'm Pastor Caleb, and in week 12 of growing in a relationship with God, we're talking about what's stopping us from sharing our faith. A lot of us are living in that same hesitation. We have quietly assumed that sharing Jesus is reserved for an elite group, the ones with a clean testimony, the consistent devotional time, the life that looks like the message. So we wait. We tell ourselves, I'll share Jesus maybe when I'm better, or maybe when I've figured it all out. But that day never really comes. Here's what I've come to understand. Sharing Jesus was never meant to be a performance. It's an overflow. It's what naturally happens when someone has genuinely changed you, and you can't help but to talk about it. The starting point isn't a perfect life, it's an honest one. People do not connect with perfection, they connect with honesty about where you still struggle, where you've fallen short, and how God has been present anyway. If you've been waiting until you're worthy enough, you don't have to wait anymore. You just have to be willing to share where you actually are and what God has actually done. That is enough. That has always been enough. Type overflow in the comments below if you want to start sharing Jesus today. Make sure also to hit follow so you don't miss next week. I'm Pastor Caleb, and this is my take. See you next week.